So hi everyone, welcome back to VIEH job search series. Today we have a job opening for the people those who are into SOC. So the job role is Security Operations Center SOC Analyst, which is 24 into 7 shift, and location is Pune. The uh, experience which is required is of 1 to 3 years, and company name is One Card. So those who don't know what is SOC, let me give you a little idea. The SOC analyst will be responsible for monitoring, detecting, analyzing, and responding to a security incident. So there are a couple of things that you need to do in this company. Along with, you need to use some tools like which include SIEM, AWS security measures, and they also have to some good experience in SOC, proven experience, and proficiency in incident response, and should be capable of effectively communicating complex security concept. So there are a couple of requirement for this job role. Minimum year is you should have minimum 1 year of experience while working in SOC centers and SIM and all those things. The company name is One Card. So right now, as you can see, the page is under maintenance. So let's wait for a couple of time or hours. After that, this page might get uh, up so that from here you can apply for the job. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.